today I'm doing a gradient. To do this, we need a makeup sponge applicator, sometimes called a wedge. We need to cut it to size first so that it's roughly the size of the nails, so that when you dab the nail polish on your nails, it goes dab, 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 dab. And here's where the nail polish will go, and yes, that's what we'll do. Just like that, we're gonna dab, 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 dab all the nails and get a nice gradient. This is slightly too big, so we're gonna cut it. I think there's enough. Oh, my scissors aren't sharp enough. Well, I kind of fucked that up, but it should be fine. Okay, thankfully, it's still too big, so let's cut it some more. There, that's better. That's close to the size of my nails. To make things a little bit less messy and simplify cleanup, we're gonna use this thing. It's basically liquid latex to protect our skin, and we can just peel it off afterwards once everything is painted and dry. Let's go ahead and apply it. I should have shaken this up before I started to put it on. No, where did it say to shake? As I understand it, we need to color this thing with the respective polishes that we want to do the gradient of. Today we're going to do black on the top and gray below that. And you want to overlap them a bit. See? You can see the lines overlapping right there. Let's see if this works. Dab 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 dab. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I think we need 2 passes at that. So let me just let it dry. I'm gonna keep doing the other ones. Okay. Let me see if I can keep going with this one. I think so. I'm gonna keep going. I need to press a little harder to get the polish out. Now, onto the last nail. The thumb. And I'm going to do that out of frame because it's fucking hard to do that while you're watching. Okay, no. I'll do it in front of you. Dab, dab, dab. Make the nail look fab. And here they are. The first pass at least. Kind of smoky gray. I like it. I'm just gonna let them dry and I'll be back in a second. Okay, these things actually dry pretty quick. They were pretty much dry at the end. Let's just do this again. I'm getting a little bit of dotting over there. I'm not sure you can see it. So I'm just gonna re-wet the sponge. I might have to redo the fucking thumb. It looks kind of bad. Yeah, the thumb looks kind of like shit. That's okay, we'll redo it. Same with this one, looks a little kind of like shit. You can see there if I zoom in. But yeah, apart from that, it looks nice. Yeah, looking nice. What do you think? So now that the nails are dry, let's see if I can peel this off now. And we can. Ah, so satisfying. Not bad. Next one. There we go. 2. We need to clean up, but that we can do easily. And last. Oof. Yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna redo it. Texture is part of the results. And now it's time to clean things up. Just grab a cap of acetone. And we grab our trusty eyebrow brush. Or something like that. First, the easy parts. Last but not least, we're gonna finish up with a matte top coat by Holo Taco. Let's finish it off. How do you like it better, matte or shiny? I don't know. I think they both look great. Now it's time for the final results. Thanks for coming, and if you're following at home, I hope you nail yours.